Make an only cheese patty for a burger using Delecta baked stable cheese. Add in the corn flour, water and make a thin paste. Now rub some water on your hand. Take a big spoon of Delecta baked stable and shape it into a round patty and coat it in the corn flour slurry. Spread breadcrumbs on the plate and coat the patty evenly with the breadcrumbs. And repeat the process by coating it in corn flour and then in breadcrumbs. Next, freeze it for 30 minutes. And then fry it in medium hot oil until it's golden brown. Now, let's assemble the burger and take a burger bun and apply mayonnaise, some lettuce, place the patty and apply Delecta cheese sauce on the patty. Place tomatoes and onion rings. Place the top bun and burger is ready. Look at that cheese burst! Super yummy cheese burst patty burger is ready. To learn more delicious and easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Delecta.